Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. Just want to show you a test exhaust I built for the MS 192. Not to be used for any type of wood cutting, and it is a dual port. Definitely increases the output on this chainsaw. I do sell those as test mufflers, not to be used for any wood cutting, and you will have to contact me by email. I don't take phone calls anymore, but there is the email address, and I'll need your shipping address and a good contact phone number. Let me fire that up and let you listen to it. If you'd like to get your hands on one of those, there is the email address.